Alright, Impala fans, here's one to check out. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop, otherwise known as a two-door sport coupe. One of the cool things about this car is it truly is an anniversary gold car. Check out the cowl tag. 892 is the interior color, which was gold, and 927 would be the anniversary gold paint on this car, so it would have started out life as an anniversary gold car. Cannot confirm or deny that this is an SS, has some SS badging on it. What I can tell you is off the VIN that it did start out as a V8 Impala, and obviously a two-door sport coupe produced at the Janesville, Wisconsin plant. It's powered by a small block Chev underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. It has had an aftermarket or vintage style AC added to it. The compressor does turn on and off. Blow's cold. When I get around to the driver's side, I'll show you. They actually have it hooked up to the factory controls. We have them labeled in there, so they do work. If you want to check out the still pictures, I got close-up pictures of the interior and underside of it and what have you. You can check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Car has been repainted along the way. I'd say it's a nice driver quality paint. You can see the top has a nice luster to it. Bright work, nice shape on this car. See, the car's pretty darn straight up and down the sides of it. Nice bright work down the side, riding on American racing wheels, good rubber. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on this car and like to talk to us about it. We can be reached at uniqueclassiccars.com. Automatic on the floor shift. Little aftermarket, newer style retro stereo added to it. We do consider trades. We do have financing available for classic cars. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting this to where you're located at. Come around to the back. Beautiful tail end on these 62 Impalas. Iconic car from Chevrolet. Very popular these days. There's some SS badging back here. Like I said, I do not have paperwork to confirm that, but did start life as a V8 car. Two-door sport coupe Impala. Very cool color. Again, did start life as an anniversary gold car. Once again, check out those undersides, engine bays, all the pics of that. uniqueclassiccars.com. Retains pretty much the stock dash steering wheel, with the exception of the vents from that AC unit that was put in there. And like I said, that aftermarket stereo. Vinyl bent seats up front. Interior is also in nice shape. Check out the headliner. Everything's good to go there, not sagging. Great sounding and running car too. Let's start this up so you guys can hear it. There's some aftermarket gauges under there too for volts, oil pressure, water temp. I'm going to start this up. See how easily it starts. Nice little rumble out of that V8. I was talking about the AC controls. We have them labeled right here. Fan. This will turn the compressor on, or your AC on. Back up here is heat. Puts out some nice air, and it is cold. If you wanted to switch to defrost, that's up and down from these vents, or push it up on top of the defrost. So AC unit still runs the way the stock would have ran back in the day. Let's go ahead and slip around in the back of this car and hear this rumble. Little side dump exhaust. I believe I mentioned American racing wheels. Polished aluminum. Great looking car. This car's got some eyeballs. Flip around to the front here. I'm going to pause this video for a second. We can pop that hood so you can check it out. See how that engine bay looks and see that engine run. us call 507-386-1726. Of course, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we can assist with the transportation. We do consider trades.